Hello guys, this is Melrose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the wala naman magawa ang person, kaya yung mga gumagapang sa garden namin, pinakialaman ko na naman. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako at alamin natin ang mga informasyon tungkol sa mga hayop na ito na sa bakuran natin.
Millipedes are cylindrical or slightly flattened invertebrates. They are not insects. They're actually more closely related to lobsters, shrimp, and crayfish. The word millipede translates to 1,000 feet. Maybe they called millipedes, but actually none of them quite have 1,000. They produce a toxic called hydrogen cyanide that is not hazardous to human health. But if you have allergy, don't touch them. It's shoutout time! Thank you so much!
Harpape hydiana.
It's the yellow and black flat millipedes, are large up to 2 inches long, flattened, black arthropods with yellow spots along the sides. They have 31 pairs of legs if it's a female, or 30 pairs of legs if it's male. The yellow-banded millipedes is native to the Caribbean. If you were to pick up a yellow-spotted millipede, it would likely curl into a spiral and exude hydrogen cyanide on you, accompanied by the strong scent of the toasted almonds. That's the smell of the cyanide. Dragonulus corallinus are known to have several common names. This includes scarlet millipede, rusty millipede, and red millipede. These colorful, nocturnal creatures are herbivores and feed primarily on detritus in their habitat, such as decaying leaves and wood. So guys, that's the only thing that I know about this invertebrates. So hindi po siya insects, so they're invertebrates, okay? So thanks for watching. By the way guys, pag marami po ito sa bahay nyo, ibig sabihin po, kailangan na po natin maglinis ng ating garden. Char lang. It's a normal po. It's a nature life process po. Let's respect our mother nature and its life because we're just renting in this place.